Wait, let me chew.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is Casey. So I thought I would come out here on the balcony to do the intro tonight. Today's video is going to be all about self-care and de-stressing. Today is the day before finals week starts for me here at UCLA. I'm going to be employing a lot of these tips throughout the week to keep myself sane. It's always also super helpful when you have a roommate who wants to cook for you. So I'm going to go eat a vegan quesadilla that she's making with vegan cheese, vegan chicken, I think avocado, so good stuff, and I am excited to eat it.
This is Caitlin's quesadilla.
Gorgeous. Ooh, yes.
It has vegan chicken, and that spells CHICK''N. Onions and corn. A sad looking lemon. Ooh, vegan cheese. It's only 99% lactose free though.
Only 99%? Another great way of de-stressing during finals is going for a walk. I am walking my roommates to the library, and I'm actually also surprising someone who I am their secret Santa with their gift at said library. I'm gonna walk there, surprise gift, walk back to my apartment, and then probably eat some soup. I'm now walking back from my gift giving and walking my roommates to the library. That was like a nice little break. I did want to clarify that I'm not just like wasting my whole night like pampering myself. I've been studying for like an hour, and then I'll film a little clip and you know whatnot. It's like 7 now, so I'm gonna make myself soup, and then I'm going to study for several hours. As you just saw in that clip, I am having a hearty minestrone soup from Trader Joe's. I've never tried this specific soup, but Trader Joe's has been doing really well with their soups because I've been buying them all week since I've been sick. We will taste test this one right now. Thumbs up. Another important aspect about studying is that you're in an environment that you do not have lots of distractions in, which I'm distraction free in this bedroom. In order to kind of calm myself and be in a really nice mood, I'm gonna light a candle and turn on my twinkly lights and put on some good music to study to. Also, I just washed my sheets today, and I usually don't ever make my bed, but since I washed my sheets, I made my bed, and my bed looks so cute when it is made, so I'm gonna show you. Look at that. We got the fuzzy blanket, Winnie the Pooh, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Another great way to decompress is to take care of your skin. I got myself this face mask from Target today. Oh, there we go. I'm supposed to be glowing after this. Honestly, I've been wearing my hair in like a low ponytail so often lately because I'm too lazy to actually do anything to it. Oh, okay. This mask is actually silver. This is a trick. Okay. I'm gonna look like the Tin Man from The Wizard of Oz after this. Oh my god, this is hilarious. This is gonna be so funny. And I have to move my car for someone. Cute. Okay, un momento. Oh. Oh my god, I look like a monster. Beautiful. Now we let this sit for, let's see what the package says. Package says 10 to 20 minutes. This is gonna be more like 30 minutes to an hour because we're being realistic here. We'll see if I am silver and shiny and glowing after this is over. Alrighty folks, my Philippine is right next to me, that's so cute. Mask is off, tea has been drinking, we have done so many things to calm ourselves, de-stress. I'm feeling great, I'm feeling good about going into finals week, and I hope that all of these tips help you guys to also de-stress and calm down and kind of just take a moment to refocus and ultimately have a better week studying for finals. The most important last tip that I will leave with you is that sleep is so important. I recommend not staying up past 1 a.m. because whatever you're gonna do past that, you're gonna be exhausted and you're not gonna remember it. Just go to sleep. Your brain will remember everything so much better if you sleep. Get your full 8 hours. Good night. Follow me on social media. Next week at this time, I will be free. I'll see you next week when I'm happier and I don't have any finals. See ya.